It's 4-0. Sagay. Baba ng bola. Sir Sagay. Penetrate. Oop. Kick out. Inward pass. Pull up. Mid-range to Sir Sagay. Orchestrating the play. Setting up the play for Black. On the right wing. A pull up on the side. Connects 2 points. No basket. Sir Sagay controls the board. Penetrate. Pushing through. Drop pass lang sa uno yan. Basket. And friends. Paasa na yan sa 21. Hinaharas ka agad ng 27. Yan. Penetrate. Pushing through. Denied. Black by jersey number 10. Pass break yan. Lapus. Nakita 17. Catch and shoot. Connects 2 points. Second deadlock for Black. Scouting the floor. Pass to jersey number 10. Catch and shoot. On the perimeter. No basket. 1 out of 2. And Black team down by 1 point. Asa agad ni Sir Carion. Naipit ang 14. Kick out. Sa ano? Cabral. On the left wing. Switch back to 14. Drop pass ni Sir Carion. Shot lock down to 10. Ooh, connects 2 points by Sir Carion. 9. Shot lock down to 9. Sir Carion. Open wide. Connects 2 points. Bouncing. 19-14. Atake Sir Sagay. Dinrampas lang yan. Pull up. No basket yan. Connects 2 points. Penetrate. Pushing through Sagay. Naipit din. Atake yan G. Drop pass lang sa 18 yan. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. And 5 minutes and 12. Spurs up. Pull up. Basket by jersey number 8. Point lead White. Pass on the right wing. Garcia in for 3. Connects 3 points. Pass to Buban. Pass to Estacio. Penetrate. Pushing through. Connects 2 points. Atake na si Lapus all the way. Drop pass lang. Nice pass. Basket off the glass. Pass to Lapus. Penetrate. Oh, drop pass lang sa G. And foul basket. Zero. Nakita si Lapus penetrate. Nakita sa underside. Nice pass by Lapus. In time in this first half. On the right wing. Capera aim for 3. Air ball. 3.5 seconds. Pass to Estacio. Aim for 3. 3. End of the first half. Cañas. Pass to Chelsea number 18. Switch back. Atake ng Estacio all the way to the hoop. No basket. Offensive rebound. Follow-up shot. Basket by jersey number 27. 28. 32. Garcia hinaharap. Aim for 3. Last point. Passing jersey number 18. Perimeter shot. Shoot. Nakuha ni Caperal. Controls the board. A series of crossover move by Caperal. All the way to the hoop. Connects 2 points. Tinapin ang bola. Nakuha ni Garcia. Passing jersey number 0 on the corner. Connects 3 points. 30-42. Black down by 12 points. Caperal. He drop. Carte. Shot lock down to 15. Tasio on top of the key. Connects 3 points. To 20. Caperal receiving the ball. Pass to Garcia. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Dying seconds. Shot lock off. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Dying seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Heel drop. Bounce in. Out by end of the third period. 47. Next out of possession. White. It's back to such inward pass. Stasio. Turn around shot and throws a foul. All the way side step. No basket. And pinasa lang niya sa 18 off the glass. Connects 2 points. Bumaba na sa single digit ang lamang. Cabrera is scouting the floor. After Chicano aim for 3. Connects 3 points for Black. Pass to Ganias. Stasio penetrates the baseline and connects 2 points. Atake Stasio. Fade away, no basket. Offensive rebound, Sagay, fakes and pop. Drop pass ng Tauno. Nice pass by Sagay. Basket and 1. Ay, nakita Stasio. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Deadlock ang score. Putos lang ang lamang. 1 point ball. 4 possession lang yan. Atake at Stasio. Nara, steal. Pass break. Intercepted by Sir Sagay. A bad pass. Penetrate. Drop pass lang yan. Captain shoot. Basket off the glass. James Favor. Bola na. Kuha yung 18. Hinaharap si Ada. Pass to Stasio. 4-2 situation. Basket by Stasio off the glass. Hasek Sir Sagay doon. Pass to Stasio. Connects 2 points. Ada. It's back to Sir Sagay. Setting up the play for Black. Pass to Stasio. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 8-point lead. Block. Lapus is scouting the floor. Setting up the play. Hinaharas ka agad siya. Pass to Cabrera. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. A counter 3. Pass to Stasio. Shot lock down to 14. Pasa sa lock. Connects to shot lock 10. Stasio. On the right. Green. Perimeter. Basket. Left. Running for penalty. Nakita si Ganyas. Nag-ubos na lang ng oras yan. End of the ball game.